Here is a brief summary of the wise words spoken by Jesus in Urmia during a lecture about the mechanism that occurs when a human being, as an individual or as a group, does not recognize the absolute sovereignty of God. Divine and human sovereignty. The true brotherhood of men must be based on the fatherhood of God. The family of God owes its existence to the love of God. God is love. God the Father loves all His children divinely. The kingdom of heaven, the divine government, rests on the sovereignty of God. Since God is a spirit, this kingdom is spiritual. The kingdom of heaven is not material, but neither is it purely spiritual. It is a spiritual relationship between God and man. If the various religions recognize the spirit sovereignty of God the Father, then all these religions will maintain peace. If, however, one religion believes that it is somehow superior to the other religions, then, in time, this religion will become intolerant and dare to persecute believers of other religions. There can never be religious peace, that is brotherhood, unless all religions are willing to completely renounce their dogmatic authority and let go of all their ideas regarding their spiritual sovereignty. God alone is spirit sovereign. Religious freedom cannot exist unless all religions agree to transfer all dominion to a superhuman level, to God Himself. The kingdom of heaven in the hearts of men will create religious unity. Note that religious unity here does not mean religious uniformity, because a religious sincere individual will be free from any thought of dogmatic authority. God is spirit, and God plants a fragment of His spiritual self in the heart of man. Spiritually, all people are equal. The kingdom of heaven is free from castes, classes, social levels, or economic status. All of you are brothers. But as soon as you lose sight of the mind sovereignty of God the Father, then your religion will begin to exalt itself in your mind. And this mind-fueled dominant religion will then seek to assert its superiority over other religions. This will inevitably turn into negativity, such as division, mutual accusations, and even religious wars, at least wars between believers. Beings with free will who theoretically regard themselves as one another's equals, but do not recognize sovereign divine power above them, will be tempted to exercise power and authority over other persons or groups. The concept of equality never establishes peace except in the common recognition of an omnipotent universal divinity. There can be no lasting religious peace on earth until all religious groups voluntarily give up all their ideas that they would enjoy divine preference, that they would be the chosen people and possess authority in the religious field. Only when God the Father becomes supreme, then people can become true religious brothers and live together in religious peace.